Right, here we go again, a red light up. I'm going to press the button. There we go, so now it's going to try. See what's happening. Flame is trying to go. Gone. Back on the red light again. Try again. Press button. Red light goes off. Fails again. You keep doing this until it goes. Once it goes, everything's fine. If you have a look, time clock is fine. This is quite late that I got up this morning. Also the pressure gauge is fine, it's not in the red, it's in the blue. Everything's as it should be. Try again. Here we go again. It wants to come on. Tries. Gas is partially ignited or whatever. This time we're there. And now it'll be alright all day. It's that initial problem, first thing in the morning, where it won't work. We need some help. Here we are again, and as you can see, a bit more light on the subject today. The pressure is okay, the time, and here we go. It should have come on, and we've got the red light again. So here we go, we'll press the button. It goes on to the ignition stage. Should have come on anyway, don't forget. Oh dear. Failed again. So press the button again, number 2. Going through the ignition sequence again. Usually it's third time lucky. Is it going to come on? Nope. There we go. This one should come on. So press the button again.